Jen Guthrie here. Wanted to come on and share with you a little bit about our Kannaway Beauty Defined skincare line that we happen to have a great sale on right now. So a lot of people have reached out to me. I've been posting for a while saying, why do I need to change this 5-step process instead of just soap and water that I've been doing for years? Well, first of all, your skin is your largest organ. Anything you put on your skin is going to be in your body within about 26 seconds. So if you're just grabbing any old bar of soap from the dollar store, you are not doing yourself a favor, especially as you get older. Your skin is definitely going to tell on you for cutting those steps and for using a product that's not nourishing your skin, but it's actually depleting your skin. So the first thing you want to do, and I typically do this in the shower, but I didn't want to videotape myself in the shower. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to use lukewarm water, not hot, not cold, but just lukewarm water, and you want to moisten your face. Easy enough. And then if you wanted to do the full 5-step process as a spa type treatment, you would then use your cleanser, use a little 1 pump of your cleanser, and then put it on your face in a circular motion, rinse it off, and go to step 2. But because I like to do things in a streamlined approach, because I'm always in a hurry, I'm going to use just 1 little drop of our exfoliator. So the exfoliator is going to help to get deep into your skin and take out the debris and the extra dead skin and all the stuff that has accumulated on your skin, pollution, old makeup, get all this off. And you just want to use the exfoliator about once a week. So it's not something you're going to do every day. It's always great to kind of go up under your neck because you don't want things to be falling down. You want to go on your face in a circular motion. And because we have mixed the exfoliator and the moisturizer and the cleanser together, you do not want to go around your eye area. Anything from this bone to your eyebrow, do not go in that area because that is a very sensitive area. It's like 3 times thinner than your regular skin. And the cleanser is perfectly fine if you're doing the steps separate to go around your eyes, but because we've mixed the two, you want to avoid that. So then after you put it on, you're going to clean your face really good. You're going to go back with warm water, and we're going to gently take it off. Or if you're in a shower, just stand under the shower and have the water remove the cleanser and exfoliator. So then after you get all of the cleaning solution off, we're going to dry the face. And you're probably wondering, how do I do that if I'm doing it in the shower? I don't. I just get the excess off. But if you were doing it as a complete treatment, you would pat dry your face, and then you're going to take our mask. And this is an amazing mask. It's got 50 milligrams of CBD plus lots of other botanicals. So we start with hemp and CBD. We add things to our entire skincare line like rose hips and dragon blood and vitamin C. And you're going to just pat this on your face. And I go all the way down to my neck, and when I'm in the shower, to my shoulders, all over. And you're going to pat this in, and it's going to stay on your face until it dries if you're out of the shower. Typically about 20 minutes. Now, I will tell you this will tingle, but it's going to tingle because you're bringing circulation back to your face. That's what's going to give you your rosy glow. So you can lay down, put some cucumbers or a cold wash rag over your eyes and just relax. Or you can do like me, go ahead and put some conditioner on your hair and shave your legs. And then when you're just about ready to get out of the shower, then rinse it off. So it doesn't have to be the full 20 minutes. If you're always on the go like me, if you have it on for 5 to 7 minutes, that's going to be way better than just leaving it in the bottle. So it's better on the body than in the bottle. So then after you are ready to get out, you can rinse it off, or, as I'm going to do today, the warm water, we're going to go back and we're going to gently remove the mask. And like I said before, you're putting things like vitamin C, dragon's blood, peptides, all types of anti-aging, antioxidants on your skin instead of just plain old soap and water. So you're feeding your skin with great nutrition. So then after you get it cleaned, we're going to go back and we're going to dry your skin again. And now, If you're doing the full spa treatment, you would now go for your serum. But because I like to combine things, I'm going to go ahead and do a half of a pump of the serum. And you can see I use this often. We're almost out. And then it calls for 1 pump of the moisturizer. I'm going to do 2 because I love it. And then gently mix it up a little bit. And then you're going to dab this on your face. And this will give you a wonderful layer of protection. It's going to be giving you lots of nutrition for your skin. And your skin's just going to feel amazing. It's going to look amazing. The fact that our Beauty Defined skincare has won awards for being anti-aging while being all natural is really amazing. Most skincare lines that are anti-aging have harsh chemicals in them. So the fact that you can rest assured we have only botanicals, no harmful ingredients in our skincare line is a very good thing. So now you just let it absorb into your skin and then put on your makeup as usual and enjoy your day. So thank you for tuning in. If you would like to take advantage of our sale, make sure to reach out to me. It's on sale through August 31st. And normally the entire line is $239 as a retail customer. It's now on sale for $150 retail, or you could become a preferred customer and get the entire package for $125. Excuse me, and the individual items are on sale too. So thank you, Susan Weaver Guthrie. You can go to wellnessnetwork1.kannaway.com and get more information or purchase, or reach out to me via text. You can text the word wellness to 21,000 and get all of my contact information. Thank you. Bye, everyone.